In today's video, I'm going to show you 10 quick shortcuts in Excel that you can start using today. Let's take a look. Okay, so here we are in Microsoft Excel. Start with the first shortcut is Control Z for undo. I'm going to type in the word shortcut. And then if I want to undo that action, I use Control Z and it'll undo the action. If I want to redo the action, I can use Control Y. And then that'll redo the action that was undone. Next, we have current date, Control semicolon, and this will populate today's date automatically. If we want to do current time, the shortcut is Control Shift colon, and that gives me the current time. Next, our keyboard shortcut for copy is Control C. So now you see the box moving around my cell, so that means it has been copied. And I'll use Control V, the shortcut for paste, and we'll paste this as many times as we would like until we cancel the command of copy. And I can do so by hitting Escape on the keyboard, so now I no longer have anything to copy. Come over here to the paste as values only. So I have this simple formula. It's calculating 5 times 10, and I want to do values only instead of the formula. So what I'll do is I'll highlight the cell, do Control C for copy. I'll hold the right click and push V, and now you can see that it's pasted as values only. I have a value of 50, but I no longer have a formula. Next up, I want to create a little table out of this simple data set that I have here. So if you click anywhere in the data and you use Control A, this is going to highlight all of the data. So Control A to highlight all the data, and then I'll use Control T to create a table. And it'll ask me, where is the data for your table? It's in the highlighted section A1 through B16. I'll leave the My Table Has Headers checked because it does have headers, and I'll click OK. And now I have a simple table. The table at the top also includes a drop down, so this is a filter. But if I wanted to remove that filter, I can use Control Shift L, or I can use Control Shift L to add the filter back on. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Comment down below which shortcuts were new to you and which ones you already knew. And if you found value in this video, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.